In a vehicle, a water pump is a critical component of the engine's cooling system. Its primary function is to circulate coolant, typically a mixture of water and antifreeze, throughout the engine and the radiator. Powered by the engine itself, the water pump features an impeller that spins, drawing coolant from the radiator and forcing it through the engine's cooling passages. As the coolant flows through the engine, it absorbs heat generated by combustion and friction, helping to maintain the engine at its optimal operating temperature. This crucial role prevents the engine from overheating, ensuring proper performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. Additionally, the water pump plays a role in heating the vehicle's interior by circulating coolant through the heater core. Without a functioning water pump, an engine can quickly overheat, leading to potential damage or engine failure, making it an indispensable component in the vehicle's operation and longevity. A bad water pump in a vehicle can cause several noticeable symptoms that indicate a problem with the cooling system. The water pump plays a crucial role in circulating coolant, a mixture of water and antifreeze, throughout the engine, helping to regulate its temperature and prevent overheating. When the water pump fails or malfunctions, it can lead to various issues. Here are the common symptoms of a bad water pump. Engine overheating. One of the primary signs of a failing water pump is engine overheating. If the water pump can't circulate coolant effectively, the engine's temperature can rise rapidly, causing it to overheat. This can result in steam escaping from the engine compartment, the temperature gauge reading in the red zone, or even engine damage if not addressed promptly. Coolant leak. A leaking water pump can lead to a loss of coolant. You may notice puddles of coolant forming under your vehicle when it's parked. Low coolant levels can further contribute to overheating problems. Unusual noises. A failing water pump can produce unusual noises such as a high-pitched whining or squeaking sound. This noise often becomes more pronounced as the engine speed increases and may be particularly noticeable when the engine is idling. Play or wobbling in the water pump pulley. You can visually inspect the water pump pulley when the engine is off. If there is excessive play or wobbling in the pulley, it may indicate a failing water pump bearing. Steam or hissing sounds. Coolant leaks caused by a failing water pump can result in steam or hissing sounds as the coolant evaporates when it contacts hot engine components. Coolant contamination. A damaged water pump can introduce contaminants into the coolant system, causing issues like oil mixing with the coolant. This can result in a milky or frothy appearance in the radiator or coolant reservoir. Check engine light. In some cases, a bad water pump can trigger the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to store trouble codes related to cooling system issues. These codes may illuminate the check engine light on the dashboard. If you notice any of these symptoms in your vehicle, it's crucial to address them promptly to prevent engine damage and ensure your vehicle's reliability. A qualified mechanic should inspect and repair or replace the water pump as necessary to maintain proper engine cooling and prevent costly repairs down the road.
Hit a like button and share your idea by commenting below. Subscribe our channel for more automotive video. Thank you for watching us.